In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood latch on a Ram 2500. Let's get started. There are two 10mm bolts holding this hood latch onto the upper support here. Remove them both. With these removed, you can flip this over and you'll see where the cable goes through the latch. We're going to have to unhook this cable. It comes out this way. When you unhook it, try not to break it. If you snap it here, you're going to have to replace it or it won't hook on. And if it doesn't hook on, it doesn't function. It's kind of stuck, so I'm going to get a prying tool and try to pop it out like this. There we go. Hopefully yours is not that stuck. Now flip it over and you'll see where the end of the cable connects into the latch mechanism here. Basically, what I did was I pried the end of this cable out until it came out of that little hook. There's your old hood latch. Take the new hood latch, put the cable end through its slot, and then to hook it in, it's a lot easier than to remove it, because all you have to do is wiggle it until it pops into place, and that's it right there. That's hooked in. Flip it over, secure the cable, the plastic end of the cable in. There we go. Push it till it pops in place. Then take your two mounting screws and start them on. When you line this up to tighten it, try to line it up as close as it was before. You can usually see the marks, the dirt around it. If you're not lined up close, the hood won't shut properly. Snug it. Double check it. This looks perfect to me, so I'm going to tighten it up. If you're doing this by hand, give it about 1/8 of a turn after it bottoms out. Test out the operation of your hood. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.